Hello cuties! Today I'll show you how to draw this squirrel with an acorn step by step. We start in the middle of the squirrel's head and draw the eyes first. Then we draw a nose between the eyes at the bottom. After that we draw a large arc from the top of the nose around the left eye. We repeat the same procedure above the right eye. Now let's draw the bottom of the squirrel's head. I'll show you step by step how I do it. Just follow my instructions as best you can. Once you're done, continue with the mouth. So we draw a smiling mouth. Next we draw the top of the head. Now we draw a left ear on the left side of the head. We repeat the same on the right side of the head and draw a right ear. Now we finish drawing the right ear and then start on the shaggy fur at the top of the head. We draw several small strands of shaggy fur, starting at the top center of the head and extending to the left ear. And then we finish drawing the left ear. Next we draw two circles in each eye. One circle is larger and the other is very small. Now we continue with the squirrel's body. First we draw an angled arm. Then we draw a long curve to the left of the arm, starting right at the head, to draw the squirrel's back and bottom. Now draw a round arc at the bottom right. This is the squirrel's left leg. Then we draw the foot under this left leg. Now we continue with the acorn that our squirrel is holding in its paws. First we draw the lower tip of the acorn. Next we draw the cap, which is the upper part of the acorn. But here we only draw the left half, approximately to the middle of the acorn. This is because the squirrel is holding the acorn with both paws, and you can see part of its right paw directly above and to the right of the center of the acorn. So now we'll draw the right paw. And then we'll finish drawing the acorn on the upper right side. Now let's draw the squirrel's belly. To do this we'll draw a round arc from the left foot to the tip of the acorn. And now let's draw the right foot. Finally we draw a large and bushy tail for the squirrel. Again I'll show you step by step how I do it. And you just follow my instructions as best you can. Now our squirrel is finished and you can color in your picture. Of course you can use any colors you like best. In the next part of the video I'll quickly show you how I colored my picture. I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun coloring today. I also hope your picture turned out well. See you in the next video. Bye for now.